Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a audio editor or trimmer that I developed on my website freemediatools.com. So if you visit my website, I have added this latest tool, audio trimmer and editor, using FFmpeg WebAssembly library, and it's a passive income tool. Passive income is actually we are earning advertisement revenue by making these online tools. So if you visit my freemediatools.com website, you will see this tool added. I have also given the link in the description. So you simply select any mp3 file or any audio file that is there inside here. As you select the file here, so what this tool does guys, it actually displays this audio file. You can listen to it using this nice little audio player. Hello guys, when you can see that you see this timeline is created waveform like this. So total duration, it also shows you how many seconds long the audio file is, that 8 minutes 15 seconds, and you can play the audio file, listen to it. And you can see the two icons are there for cutting the audio and then downloading the. So you simply select whichever portion that you want to cut. So you can see that once it completes, if I download that to your own. So if I want to cut this portion, so I will simply select whichever portion of the audio that I want to trim. So using this nice little timeline, so you can easily select whichever portion that you want from the audio. So as you select this portion, you will simply select the cut option. You will simply press the cut, and as soon as it does, it actually uses the FFmpeg WebAssembly library and it actually cuts the audio, the selected audio. And now you can see the audio is successfully trimmed, and now you can source code. So apply that to your own host. You can play the audio file, the trimmed audio file, and then you can simply download this. So this overall project guys, I developed in React.js using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. And the nice thing is that once you purchase this project, the link is given in the description. You can easily deploy this to your own website and earn a lot of passive income. So let me show you. I am actually monetizing this website using my Ezoic website. Ezoic is an ad network. You can see each day I am earning this 28 cents, sometimes $4, $2 on each day. You can see the website views are there, and basically it's an online tool based website, and actually users come to the website, they use the tool, also they see the advertisements, and I earn passive income. You can see that. And also using AdSense as well, I monetize using both Ezoic and AdSense, and also in the AdSense, as you can see, I am earning this passive income daily. So this is actually the React project guys you will get once you purchase it from my website procodestore.com. I've given the link in the description of this video, and once you purchase it, you will be getting this zip file, and which will be after payment, you will be automatically be redirected to the Google Drive, where you will download the zip file. So just extract the content of the zip file. This is the overall structure of this project. Just wait, let me open my zoom it tool so that I can zoom on particular element. Just wait. So guys, you will actually get this overall project, React project. So it's developed in TypeScript. You will see TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. And let me show you the package.json file. So we are using the FFmpeg WebAssembly library for this project and all these. So once you basically download the zip file, to run this project locally, you first of all execute this command npm i. So what this will do, it will scan through all the packages which are mentioned in package.json file and create this node modules folder. So first of all, you will execute this command npm i. I've already done that, and then you will simply say npm run dev. This is the command that you will run, npm run dev. So this will start the local development server. So you can actually open this app locally by just visiting localhost 5173. So you can see the app will perfectly work here. Here you select the file, and you will see the app is perfectly working. So you, whichever portion you like, you simply actually select the portion of the audio, then you simply select the cut option. So it will cut the audio file, and then you will see that. So it actually cut this 32-second part of this, and you can play the remove file right here. Subsequent, and then there is a download button to actually download. So very simple tool, guys, very simple passive income tool, but it's very powerful because many a times people looking forward for the cutting the audio, remove the back directly in the browser. So it's a static website, it directly runs in the browser, no server is involved. Now to build this React project, you simply run the command here, npm run build. So this, if you want to deploy this tool on your static website, you run this command npm run build. So what this command will do, it actually will build your project and it will create a dist folder. So if I execute this command, so in the left hand side, what it will do, it will actually build this entire project into a single file so that you can directly upload this into a static website. So it created this dist folder, and you will see this index.html file right here. So you just need to upload this dist folder to your shared hosting. So whichever hosting you are using, simply upload these static files and then open this in the browser. So this tool will directly open in the browser, you can see that. So we are running it locally, you will see that. So once it plays it, you can see the user will select the portion, click cut, the audio is trimmed. You can see we are running it locally. So the link is given, guys, in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code here. You can even modify the source code. If you are a coder or developer, you can modify the functionalities if you understand the code. I developed this from scratch. Here you will see all the files have appropriate extensions. If you are a developer, this project will be very helpful for you. You will get to understand that how I used FFmpeg WebAssembly library to build this entire audio editor project. Very simple project. You select the portion, click the cut option. You can try this, guys, before purchasing it. I have given the link here, freemediatools.com/audio trimmer. So first of all, try this. If you like this project, then directly purchase it. The link is given in the description, and if you face any kind of problem after purchase, you can contact me at my email address. I will be helping you if you face any kind of problem. So if you don't know about FFmpeg, guys, FFmpeg is a very open source audio and video processing library. You can use this for converting audio or video from one format to another. And there is this FFmpeg WebAssembly, which allows the developers to directly use FFmpeg directly in the browser without needing to install locally. So we are using this package, open source package, for building this entire application. So the users will select their audio file. So it is all happening in the browser. No server is involved. Your files will not be uploaded anywhere. It is all happening in the browser. They will select the portion that you want to cut, and you will see instantly. It's a very fast tool, guys. It basically all this happening in the browser. You can purchase this project. After purchasing it, you will get full commercial right. You can modify the code, deploy this, use it as your own website as well. And thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.